Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to start the topic base in the chapter acid, base, and salt. Right? First question arises that what do you mean by base? All of you know that base is a substance. Base is a substance which is bitter in taste. Which are bitter in taste. Acids are sour in taste, whereas base are the substances which are bitter in taste and have a soapy touch. Soapy touch, have a soapy touch. Soapy touch means which is slippery in nature. The bases are the substances which are bitter in taste and having a soapy touch, right? In other words, I can say that base is a compound. Base is a compound which reacts with acids. Base is a compound which reacts with an acids to form salt and water. To form salt and water. Base is a substance compound which reacts with acids to form salt and water. Right? Base is a substance according to the Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept accordingly, base is a substance. Base is a substance which gives hydroxide ions. Which gives hydroxide ions in the aqueous solution. Right? So base is a substance which is bitter in taste, having soapy touch, reacts with acid to form salt and water, and which gives hydroxide ions in the aqueous solution. Right? Now, what various example of bases? Right? Base is either a metal hydroxide. All metal hydroxides are generally basic in nature. Metal oxides, these are also basic in nature, and ammonia. These are the various examples of the base. Now I am writing various examples of the base. First is metal oxides, which are basic in nature. Calcium oxide, it is a base, right? Magnesium oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide. Okay? Right? These are the various bases which are metal oxides, right? Now, various hydroxide, these are also bases, NaOH, CaOH whole twice, MgOH whole twice. These are also hydroxide, metal hydroxide, which are basic in nature. One more is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. These are the various examples for the base, right? Now, there is a one term alkali. We have to distinguish between alkali and the base. Base and alkali are interlinked. Alkalis are the water soluble bases. Those bases which are soluble in the water are called known as alkali. Those bases which are soluble in the water are called alkali, right? Those bases which are soluble in the water are called alkali. For example, NaOH, this is water soluble. KOH, it is also water soluble. CaOH whole twice, MgOH whole twice. These are the various bases which are soluble in the water. But there are many other bases which are not soluble in the water. For example, copper oxide, lead oxide. These are the example of the bases which are not soluble in the water, right? So, magnesium hydroxide is not much soluble, right? It is not soluble, right? So, milk of magnesia बोलते हैं इसको. It is not soluble. It settle down when it's left undisturbed for some time, right? So there are many bases which are not alkali, but all alkali are the bases. All alkali are the bases. All alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Okay? But all bases are not alkali, right? Okay. Now the next topic is that is characteristics of the bases, right? Characteristics of the bases. Characteristics of bases. First is base are bitter in taste. First character is bitter taste. Second is soapy touch. It has soapy touch. Third, effect on litmus. It turns base क्या करता है रेड लिटमस को ब्लू. It turns red litmus to blue. It turns red litmus blue. ठीक है, right? Next is action on methyl orange. It is orange indicator, and in base it turns yellow. In base it turns yellow. In case of phenolphthalein, it is colorless in nature, but it turns pink in the basic solution. Like acids, it also conducts electricity in the aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, it conducts electricity because it dissociates into the ions. For example, NaOH. In case of aqueous solution, it turns into Na positive and OH negative ions, and due to the movement of these ions, it conducts electricity. Right? It conducts electricity. Right? Next is some chemical properties of the bases. Right? First property of the base is reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. First reaction is with acid is, let us take an example. Here is NaOH base, aqueous solution we have to take. HCl, again aqueous solution. OH, it gives OH negative ions and Na positive ions, and it gives H positive and Cl negative ions. This OH negative and H positive combines to form water, and Na positive and Cl combines to give NaCl. Right? This is strong base. NaOH is strong base. This is strong acid, and we will get strong base and strong acid when combined. It gives neutral salt to us. Right? Strong base and strong acid gives neutral salt to us. Right? Next is one more example. There is a NaOH, and there is a weak acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. Now, strong base and weak acid. It dissociates into Na positive and OH negative. It dissociates into CH3COO negative and H positive. This H positive and OH negative combines to form water. And this CH3COO negative and Na positive combines to form CH3COO Na. Right? This CH3COO Na is a result of strong base and weak acid. The salt is it gives basic salt because it is formed by strong base and weak acid. Right? So we discussed about the two types of salts. First is formed by strong base and strong acid. We will get neutral salt and water. In second case, I take strong base and weak acid, and we will get basic salt plus water. And in third case, I take weak base and strong acid. Let us take an example to elaborate this. Weak base is NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. This is a weak base, example of weak base. Strong acid, I will take HCl. We will take aqueous solutions of both. It will dissociate into NH4 positive and OH negative. It will dissociate into H positive and Cl negative. It will recombine NH4 and Cl it forms NH4Cl plus OH and H combines to form H2O. This is weak base, this is strong acid, and this is salt is acidic salt. Then the result is acidic salt. That's mean good. That's water. Right? One more example to elaborate this, that is weak base and weak acids. Weak base, I will take NH4OH. Weak acid, I will take CH3COOH. It will dissociate into NH4 positive and OH negative. It will dissociate CH3COO negative and H positive. It will combines and form CH3COO NH4 and neutral. This is neutral salt again. Weak base and weak acids, it will form neutral salt again. Right? We have three types of salt: basic salt, acidic salt, and the neutral salt. Right? So there are some examples. Right? Few of the reactions are right now NaOH plus HCl. Both are aqueous solutions. CaOH whole twice aqueous solution plus H2SO4. MgOH whole twice plus HCl. NH4OH plus HCl. These are the few examples for the reaction. Now OH and H combines to form H2O and NaCl. Right? OH and H gives H2O and forms CaSO4. How this reaction takes place? Calcium is having valency of 2. Sulfate is also having valency 2. CaSO4. Now Mg and Cl. Mg valency 2, chloride 1, it is MgCl2 plus water. Right? One more reaction, NH4 and Cl, NH4Cl and H2. These are the various examples for the reaction with acids. This is how the base reacts with the acids. Right? This is the first type of the chemical reaction of the base. That base reacts with the acids to form salt and the water, and these salts are of various types like basic salt, acidic salt and the neutral salt. Right? Now the second type I am going to discuss with you is reaction of base with the metals. Right? Reaction of base with metals. Right? There are few metals which react with the base, right? Few of them are zinc and aluminium. These both these metals react with NaOH to form salt and hydrogen gas, right? For example, NaOH base reacts with zinc to form a salt named as sodium zincate. Sodium zincate, and hydrogen gas is evolved. What is the formula for sodium zincate? This NaOH is having the formula. This NaOH and zinc, when reacts, they form zincate ions, having formula ZnO2 2 negative, and Na has 1 positive. Now crossing over takes place, it will form Na2ZnO2. This is the formula for sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2, right? Sodium zincate ions are ZnO2 2 negative. And hydrogen gas is evolved in this, right? Now NaOH also reacts with aluminium to form, first of all, they form aluminate ions, and aluminate ions have formula AlO2 1 negative, and Na has 1 positive. Then it will form NaAlO2 and hydrogen gas. This is known as sodium aluminate. Okay, aluminate ions they will form AlO2. You have to learn this reaction, right? This is how the some metals, I can say few metals, react with the base. Clear? Now, some of the non-metal oxides also reacts with the base to form products. Base reacts with non-metal oxides. How it reacts? Let us see. We have base NaOH and non-metal oxide. Carbon is non-metal, its oxide is carbon dioxide. What will form when these non-metal oxides are acidic in nature? And this is base, and all of we know that how the base and acid reacts. They will form salt and water. So, it will form water, and there is a salt of sodium and carbon, Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate it will form, and water is released. This is the salt, and this is basic salt, right? Let us take one more example: calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide. It will form carbonates actually. Calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3 plus H2O. Because it is basic in nature and this is acidic in nature, carbon dioxide, non-metal oxide. And when basic and acid reacts, they will form carbonate salt. Carbon dioxide form carbonate salt and calcium carbonate is formed, which is salt and water is released. Right? So this is how the chemical reaction takes place of the bases. Please write down all these reactions in your notebooks and complete your work carefully. Goodbye. Bye-bye.